updating your email address on Indeed is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Login. Visit the Indeed website and log into your account using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon or your name in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account. Step 3. Edit email address. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Email Preferences or Email Address. Click on the option to edit or change your email address. Step 4. Enter new email. Input your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, you may need to verify it. Check your new email inbox for a confirmation message from Indeed and follow the instructions provided to complete the update. Once you have completed these steps, your email address on Indeed will be updated. Make sure to keep your account information secure and up to date.